Sí, Mari, vos ocupate de tus cosas.
Somos el equipo
Guys, don't hit your friend with the flags in your face.
There's not enough for everyone, so we're passing them around. Okay?
Yeah.
We're not keeping them for one person. You're going to pass them
share,
around.
okay?
We'll share.
Who wants juice? Raise your hand if you want juice. Or your flag. Raise your flag if you want juice.
You have to raise your flag if you want juice or water. Yeah. I want juice.
Who wants water?
I want